The best way to predict the future is to create it. This quote is rightly said by the famous personality Abraham Lincoln. Namaste to one and all present over here. Today, I am here to present my idea on the topic, let's redefine development. A question rises to my mind. How far is the need for development? Or is there need at all? Development to me is progress. Yes, progress, but sustainable. Be it personal development or the country's, it should be a development without costing the future generation its necessities. Have you ever thought about the figure of people who have died because of pollution by cars? Do you know how many birds are killed every year because of internet towers emitting high frequency radio waves? So, do you really want to know the reasons why people suffer from obesity? Now, do you think that pollution by cars, internet towers, and many other factors have affected many lives? Well, I leave these questions for you to ponder upon. According to me, we can develop the world in such a manner that the nature and its beautiful treasures are preserved. It is said that when things are right, everything falls at its desired place. This reminds me of a self-developed country, Bhutan. Instead of focusing on gross domestic product as a measure of progress, Bhutan has championed a new approach of development which measures prosperity and progress through the formal principles of gross national happiness. And so, you can think, how has this country redefined development? Very well said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji. If you want to shine like the sun, then first you need to burn like the sun. So, with this beautiful quote, let us now come to our own country and see that how has India tried to redefine development. India is trying its best to become a developed country, but it cannot be called as a developed country until the society doesn't change its thoughts. We need to speak up against the mindset and mentality of the people. And if we don't have respect for the people, what respect will others have for India? A clear environment is very necessary to live a peaceful and healthy life. It is said that one kid, one tree. We should follow it diligently, and consequently, our environment will be clean and green. Another quote, very well said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji. If a country is to be corruption-free and a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly believe that there are three key social members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. We moreover need to focus on controlled development, which will lead to a safe future. And as I had mentioned in the beginning of my talk, better than predicting a future, we need to create it. I mean that if we all gathered in this hall cannot do everything, we can at least do something. And all of you know that something is better than nothing. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. I would like to end my speech with a quote, rightly said by Paul Kagame, the President of Republic of Rwanda. Development is about more than money or machines or good policies. It is about the real people and the lives they lead. Thank you.